Alright, good morning YouTube. Y'all see what it is. Pulling up at Harbor Freight. I don't know, I think I'm about to leave the truck running, cause we gotta get some parts to go buff a vehicle out real quick. And I think I am missing some of my buffing pads. I know I gotta get some polish for today, but I'm trying to see how many pads that I have, because I got this hood that's kind of hazy, that really, well, not even hazy, the lady damaged it. Y'all, please do not use no kitchen sponge to wash y'all cars, because you'll be calling me and I'm going to charge you a lot of money to buff it out, but I can't get it done. So yeah, I'm looking down in this box to see what stuff I have real quick before I run in the store. This stuff is good. What's this? Alright, yo. I think we got a handle on it of knowing what we need. I know I need to get some more of these the rough pads, and I know I had some left over here in this box. See what we got in this box, and then we gonna slide in the stove, grab what we need. And I think this, oh no, this box we got a hole in it. Yeah. All right, y'all. We know what we need. I'm about to go up in here and see if they got the rest of the stuff that I need. I gotta get some polish. I got the cut that I need to get started. So figure it out. Go from there. Yo. Man, this all you need. I like having. Good morning. How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
All right. So Harbor Freight got all the stuff that you need to pretty much do these jobs with buffing. All right, guys, we are here. We about to grab. I need some polishing. I already got the heavy cut that I need and my pads. And we out. Grab a couple more things for this job. I need a towel, but I don't even think they got the towels in here no more. We gonna see. Alright, I think we out of here, man. They don't have the towels that I used to get, so we gonna get up out of here. All right, y'all, we out here. As y'all can see, the weather is looking crazy today, but I am super motivated to get stuff done, and it is my goal to not let the frustrations of the weather stopping the show. And then we also had a customer who wants us to wait till 1 o'clock to get their vehicle done, because the guy who wanted us to do it, he forgot to notify her that we was coming. So we got to deal with that as well at the moment. But it's not a huge deal, but I like to keep my guys busy and working and stuff like that. And for where they at in Williston right now, there's nothing really that I can have them come here and do. I'm a little worried about the weather. Right now we got the truck pulling up that I gotta do, so I'm gonna get set up real quick so I can get this thing knocked out, hopefully before it rains, and go from there. What's up, YouTube? So I was over here getting ready to do this job. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how bad it is. I'm not gonna do it today actually because it keeps raining on and off, and then the customer unexpectedly said that she had to leave at 9:50. And when you're buffing, you definitely do not want to rush that job. You want to have as much time as necessary to get it done, do it right, so you don't burn the paint or make any mistakes. So I'm gonna at least show y'all like how bad it is. So on this hood, you can pretty much almost see how hazy it is right here. So if I was to show you this side right here, it's all nice and glossy. But so basically right here, she took one of those pads or something that you wash dishes with, and she was trying to wash the car, and she completely scratched the whole car up. It's even on top of the roof of the truck. So tomorrow we're gonna plan to just come at 8 a.m. tomorrow, and she said she's got a full day to where the truck can be ours to work on, so that's gonna be ideal. So we're just gonna keep it moving. I'm kind of weary about the day already. Like I said, we got some discrepancies going on over where the other truck is. I'm probably just about to shut it down because this weather is kind of crazy today for us. We don't have anything, you know, too crazy going on over here in Gainesville to where I could take some stuff to the shop, but we'll be all right. So we'll keep it going.